iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both of these phones are priced almost identical. 81,000 pesos kay Beyond the Box and 84,000 pesos kay Samsung Official Philippines. Pag-usapan natin some of the things na gusto ko dito sa dalawang phones na ito and some of the things na hindi ko masyado gusto. And of course, hindi natin malilimutan ang camera comparison dito sa dalawang phone na ito. Now, if you're comparing two flagship devices, it's nice to start with a quick unboxing. So, the C2 box is quite identical. Isang black, isang white nga lang. But if you place it both side by side, the height is almost the same. But the iPhone has this slightly thicker box compared kay Samsung. So, ganito itsura na sa sides. And buksan natin, no? So, you'd see outright both of the box. Makita mo agad yung phone itself and si iPhone ganito itsura dito. But si Samsung, you can remove this one. So dito nakatago ka ng mga accessories. So you'll get a quick start guide, SIM ejector tool, and of course, ang iyong C2C cable. While si iPhone, you need to remove the phone and to get your C2C cable here, which is braided, and of course, some user guide and SIM ejector tool over here. Pareho sila walang case and walang charging brick. So I would suggest something like this from Momax for iPhone 15 Pro Max. They have a clear case dito na may MagSafe na ring dito for easier wireless charging and a aluminum frame dito sa kanyang camera module for extra protection. While kay Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, I'll suggest something like this one from Shandy Beetle, and this one has a really nice bump na para pag na-drop mo on the sides and would give you an extra protection for every single drop. Of course, accidental drop. Pagdating naman sa charger, I'll suggest something from Anker 313 charger na Ace 2. This one is a 45 watts of charging brick which supports both iPhone and Samsung flagship phones. C2C na siya, so walang problema. And it's very portable. Pwede mo liquid just like that. Wala kang problema, no? It's safe to travel. Even though na si iPhone is just a 25 watts na PD 2.0, this one can automatically step it down for the iPhone. Hindi mag-overcharge yan, don't worry. So taking the phone out of the box, so you see this is from the iPhone, ganito itsura niya, and this one is from the Samsung S24 Ultra. So you'd see the similarity dito sa dalawa is the titanium. Tawag dito sa kanya is the white titanium, and this one is called the titanium black. Binaliktad lang ni Samsung. So as far as camera module is concerned, this one has 4 and this one has 3. Pag hinawakan mo sila, both are really nice. Talaga mafe-feel mo ang kanyang flagship premium feel dito sa kanila. Both phones looks very premium, and of course, Apple already supporting the Type-C cable na. And Samsung has the Galaxy S Pen. Pagdating naman sa iPhone, you'll get a 6.7-inch na LTPO Super Retina OLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate, and ang kanyang maximum brightness is 2000 nits. It's being protected by ceramic shield glass by iPhone. And pagdating naman kay Samsung, you get a slightly bigger screen at 6.8-inch with a dynamic LTPO AMOLED display at 120Hz din siya. And ang kanyang maximum brightness is slightly higher at 2600 nits. And so pareho naman sila may always on display na slightly kinapi ni Samsung from the iPhone. Now Apple has a better security using its face unlock, but si Samsung has the better fingerprint scanner and it's respond very fast. Now, if you're the type of person na mahilig sa benchmarking, this one got a near 1.5 million points and this one got a 1.82 million points sa Antutu benchmarking. Ito naman makukuha mo dito sa Geekbench. Ito naman sa GPU benchmarking ng Geekbench. Sa Call of Duty Mobile, these are the graphical settings na makukuha mo on both device, on max settings. Ito naman makukuha mo sa Firelight 84. And ito naman makukuha mo sa Genshin Impact. Based on my day-to-day usage, yung kanyang battery, no, I would say na si iPhone can last slightly longer than the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra because of the better battery management, better battery optimization na dito sa iPhone. And together with the iOS 17, I think it's a lot smoother. Since si Galaxy S24 Ultra, medyo bagong labas lang, so you expect some minor bugs along the way. And magkakaroon naman siya ng mga software updates and optimization soon. And meron pala siyang 7 years na software support. Same lang kay Apple. Now, I'll give you some quick camera analysis dito, no? So, taking both shot dito, one of my favorite plays to take is the rock, no? So, you would see dito na medyo slightly darker konti ang picture dito kay S24 Ultra and slightly brighter dito sa iPhone. But both of them can take really nice shot. But it seems to me na medyo mas detailed ng konti bahagya ang nakuha ko dito kay iPhone on this certain piece of rock. Mas may detail siya. Parang makita mo yung mga ugat-ugat sa kamay. Ito mas kita niya as opposed dito. Medyo mas na-smoothen konti dito sa bato na ito. And on this photo naman makita mo, medyo mas saturated konti ang color ni iPhone and parang mas maganda yung color niya dito sa sa mismo sa palayok mismo as opposed dito kay Samsung. But on details naman, I would say na pareho naman sila magandang details. Parang slightly better lang ang color ni iPhone. Pagdating naman dito sa flower shot, I would say na parang mas maraming details ang na-capture dito sa Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra as opposed dito kay iPhone 15 Pro Max. Napag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang ultra-wide lens. This one is 0.5, this one is 0.6. So, kita natin, both shot, good, very good. But si Samsung seems to take a slightly better photo dito dahil sa ganda ng kanyang sky. This one has a blue sky. This one has a slightly pale ng konti na blue as opposed dito. Now, this one is a one-time zoom shot. Parang medyo mas pale konti ngayon kay iPhone on outdoor as opposed dito kay Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Ito naman, this is a two-time zoom shot which I see na full of details on both cameras. Now, if you zoom it into 5 times the optical zoom, it seems to me si Samsung had a slightly better. And si Samsung can zoom you all the way into 100 times zoom digitally. Ito, hanggang dyan na lang siya. Si Samsung kaya mag-zoom up to 100 times na digital zoom, while si iPhone can only zoom up to 25 times zoom. Now, bringing this one indoors, you'd see a slightly better photo dito kay Samsung. Parang medyo mas dramatic konti, mas litaw konti ang mga beans dito. But both of them was able to capture some really nice details sa kanyang beans once na zoom in mo on both cameras. And checking the bokeh naman, both cameras was able to give me a really nice na bokeh effect. It seems to me na parang medyo mas natural konti kay iPhone konti. But taking this shot naman, I would say na parang mas maganda lang ang litaw ng color dito kay iPhone. Now, taking outdoor selfie, it seems to me that si iPhone was able to snap in a little bit better na photo dito of me. Medyo mas parang medyo mas dull ng konti dito sa Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, if you're trying to snap in a indoor low light naman, I think it's the other way around. Medyo mas maganda naman ang result dito sa Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, taking a bokeh shot on both of this phone, I think si Samsung still has the better and more vibrant shot as compared kay iPhone. But I think pagdating naman sa face ko, I think si iPhone captured it better. Pagdating naman sa background blur, I think si Samsung captured a little bit better. Now, would see these two videos playing side by side together. I think both are really nice. Quite stable naman ng kanyang video at 4K. And it seems to me na parang medyo mas litaw lang color ko konti dito sa iPhone as opposed na medyo darker color dito sa Samsung. Now, if you're checking naman sa kanyang rear camera taking a 4K video, I think if you're panning around, it seems to me na parang medyo mas a little smoother. Pag tinitingnan mo dito on both of this phone, both were able to capture in a really nice video. And tingnan naman natin on low light, you see a slightly better na lighting when it comes to the iPhone 15 Pro Max pagdating sa video recording capability. So nakita na natin ang difference between these two phones other than the 3,000 pesos difference. So you get a brighter screen dito sa iPhone as compared kay Samsung dahil sa kanyang Corning Gorilla Glass Armor na may 70% less reflective na screen. But with the 5 times na digital zoom, I think Samsung still gives me that better zooming capability as compared kay 15 Pro Max. And of course, you still get an S Pen dito, but both are titanium finish. Both of these phones has their premium feels. And for me, it's still quite hard to decide kung sino mas okay piliin kasi parehong premium eh. But I think si Samsung still has the slighter edge over sa iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ikaw, tingin mo, sino mas okay? Let me know on the comments. And so kung nagustuhan mo mga comparison like this one, do hit me out also on the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share to your friends and sa mga intended na target market. And I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.